Hello, first graders, and welcome back to your social studies job for this week. This week we have a big project going on because it was International Day this week, but today we're going to pause and finish our lesson from last week. We just have a few more vocabulary words for this one. So, today we are going to be talking about calendars, which I know you know, first graders, what a calendar is. We do it every day at carpet time. We talk about a calendar. Now, looking at the calendar in this picture, is this calendar from this month? Is this calendar from this year? No, this calendar is from January 2018. Is it January? Is it 2018? So today we're going to get to investigate looking at a calendar from the month that we are in. But a calendar is a chart used to show time. And the calendars we are going to look at today are going to be a whole month, just like we do at carpet time. So a few more words that are going to help us out today, boys and girls, is the word today. That's this day. What day is it today? Tomorrow, the day after today. Tomorrow is in the future. And yesterday, the day before today. Yesterday is in the past. So, when you go to write the date, boys and girls, it always is in the same order. You start with the day of the week, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. Then, you put a comma. Then you write the month. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Then we turn around. Then you put two finger spaces and you write the day of the month. What day is it? Is it the first day? Is it the second day? Is it the 29th day? What day of the month? It's a number, which you can see in the pink here. And then, we add another comma. And lastly, we are going to put the year. And this year, boys and girls, is 2020. Or 2020. So, this date, this example right here, Wednesday, May 6th, 2020. That's today. Now, we are going to look at this calendar from January 2020, from this past January, and we are going to ask ourselves some questions. Firstly, if I said today is Friday, January 17th, Friday, January 17th, I would like to know what yesterday's date was if today is Friday, January 17th. So I'm going to jump one day back. Whoop. And yesterday was Thursday, January 16th, 2020. Notice that the year is the same, the month is the same, but the day of the week and the day of the month has changed. And then, if I am pretending that today is Friday, January 17th, and I want to know what tomorrow will be, I'm going to jump one box forward. Tomorrow will be Saturday, January 18th, 2020. Again, the month and the year have not changed. How did I know what day of the week the 18th of January was going to be on? To find the day of the week, you put your finger on the number and you slide all the way up until you find your day of the week. So I know that all of these days are on Saturday. So if I said, what day of the week was the 14th of January on, I would find the 14th of January and slide all the way up to see that the 14th of January was on a Tuesday. It was on a Tuesday. Also, on a calendar, you can find holidays as well. They may be hard to see, but there was a holiday on the 1st of January. It was New Year's Day. So these little notes in these boxes are when there are holidays, just like on our calendar, when we put your birthdays and we put special events on our calendar at school. So, boys and girls, your job today is to look at a calendar from this month, from May 2020, and tell me, what is today's date? What was yesterday's date? And what is tomorrow's date? Just a reminder, you do the day of the week, the month, the day of the month, and then the year. So 4 different things when you write the date. Alrighty, have fun, first graders. See you next time.